Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, my name is Randall Jenkins, and I am the owner of Jenkins Marketing Group. I want to do a review video today on um, Instant Cash Solution, ICS, Instant Cash Solution. I'm doing a review of it. I just joined about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I've gotten some time to look into it, and I wanted to give my review of it. But before I do, I want to talk about uh, the 2019 wealth formula that I have. You may ask, well, what makes you capable of being able to speak on it? My background is that I am a tax accountant for over 25 years, and I have over 10 years of marketing experience. One thing that I know for sure a business needs is cash flow on a daily basis. So whether you have an offline business or whether you have an online business, your business needs daily cash flow. I've seen plenty of businesses that didn't have the cash flow on a daily basis, and they had to use the money they made or go into their savings if they had savings and use that money. So today I'm talking about instant cash solution, and but the first thing I want to talk about is cash flow. Now, if you have a job, if you are an employee and you have a full-time job, maybe the best thing for you versus getting into instant cash flow would be to get into MyEcon. MyEcon is a program for people who have a job, and yet you can get into this. It has different menus of it, such as helping you to build your credit back up, videos on how you can do your W-4, which will give you more money on your paycheck. By getting into MyEcon, that's going to bring an extra $200 to $400 into your paycheck every month, and it's a good educational program as well to help you be educated financially about things that are going on with your job as an employee. So I would suggest if you are a full-time employee and you're in need of cash flow, you may want to look at MyEcon first. Now, the next one is Instant Cash Solutions. And I just joined Instant Cash Solutions, and in my opinion, it is one of the best that I've seen in 2019 that will educate you on how to be a professional marketer and at the same time bring in constant cash flow. Now, all of us know that the lifeblood of any business, whether it's a online business or a offline business, is to have visitors or traffic. If you are online, the way that I'm going to show you 3 ways to market your instant cash solution business. One way is going to be Craigslist. The second is going to be nationwide newspapers. The third is going to be Facebook groups. Okay? These are very simple ways. Anybody can do this copy and paste system. All you have to do is copy and paste, and I'm going to show you live how easy it is. Okay? But as I was saying before, with this instant cash solutions opportunity, you can bring in daily, once you get it up and running, an extra $100 to $500. Now, let's go over to instant cash solutions. I'm going to log into my my back office. Okay, be just a second. I'm going to log into my back office here, and we'll get everything started for instant cash solutions. Okay. All right, there we go. So you can see my name, Jenkins Randall, at Gmail. That's my Gmail account, and I just logged on. And I've already, you can see that I've already have some leads here. The lifeblood of any business is that you need leads first. Your leads, you follow up with them in your list. You follow up with them, and you develop a relationship with the people that are on your list. But the lifeblood is getting traffic first, and I'm going to show you 3 ways of getting traffic. Okay, so you can see here, this is my list. You have where you have the quick start, you have your pages. Okay, so I'm going to go to quick start first. Once you get in, the first thing you will do is go to quick start. It's going to have your ICS training manual where you will click on that, and it tells you all about training. Okay, you have your Craigslist costs. It tells you how much each city costs, and then this tells you how to post job ads on Craigslist. But I'm going to also show you myself. Okay, so we're going to go back to the members area, and now we're going to go to pages. This is your capture pages. This is the pages that you can use. We have a lot of different pages here. These pages are mobile friendly. So these pages go very well with a phone. Okay, we got lots of capture pages you can use, and you can choose which one is best for you. Now, before I keep going, there's a minimum cost. The cost to join Instant Cash Solutions is $100. You can go all the way up to $500. I would suggest, if you can afford it, that you would upgrade and go to the $500 level. That way, when people are coming in through your website and capture page, we have the $100 level, the $200 level, the $300 and $500 level. So people can join at any level, but if you're at the $500 level, that means that you can get credit for anybody that joins any of the other levels. Now, let's go into training, though. I want to show you training for Craigslist. There's so many tools that the company has. There are so many tools. But the first thing I want to do first is go to marketing, because I want to show you how simple this is to market. And it shows you different ways you can market: banner advertisement, solo ads, SMS marketing, which is text marketing, classified ad sites, your 24/7 sizzle call, Craigslist image ads, your Facebook group strategy, your ICS text messages, and even voice setups that we can do for you. But we're going to go to the Craigslist image first. We're going to go to the Craigslist image first. And right here, you can see it tells you all about it on Craigslist. Excuse me. This is so simple, even a baby can do this. This is so simple for you that even anybody that can just copy and paste and follow directions, you can do this. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go, and these are all the ads. There are about 15 ads that are already pre-done for you. All that you're going to do is put in the code, and I'll show you. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to headlines. There we go. So we're going to go to headlines, and I'm just going to copy and paste a headline. You can see right there. I just copy and paste that, right click over, and then it's going to say copy, and then I copy. Then I'm going to Craigslist. Right here, I'll go to Craigslist, and let's see here. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to do Craigslist for Austin, but let's go to Killeen. since I'm in the Killeen area. Excuse me. Okay. So we're going to go here and let's go down to, uh, let's see here, jobs, and we're going to go to sales. Okay. So we're going to sales. Okay. And let's go to post. We're going to post the ad. Okay. And we're going to job offered. We click on that. That's going to automatically take us to what category do we want. So we want sales. We're going to click on sales. And it says the cost for that is only $15. Imagine being able to put your ad out there for $15. Okay, we're going to hit on continue. Okay, now it says posting title. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to ICS, or the Instant Sales Solution. And then we're going to come up here to ad number 5. Okay, and what we're going to do now, we're not going to copy and paste this whole thing. Well, let's go to ad number 3. We're not going to copy and paste the whole thing. What we're going to do is copy and paste just the code. Just where I've shaded that code, we're going to copy and paste that. Okay? So then we're going to go back to Killeen. We're going to put this in the body section. Okay? We're going to put this in the body section. For the title, you can make up anything. You can copy and paste what's on Craigslist. So let's go back down and let's go here to right here. Now these are just some titles. You can make up your own titles, but these are some titles that you can use. So let's do this. Okay, seeking sales professionals. We're going to copy and paste that. Okay, we're going to put that in the title section. Okay, and then for the postal code, you can put in a zip code for that area. Okay, and then for the employment, we're going to put full time. Okay, describe the compensation. We're going to put 100% commission. Okay, you're going to put in your email address. My company name is Jenkins Marketing Group. Okay, for the phone number, I can put in either my cell phone number, or I can put in my Sizzle Call phone number, or I can put in my SMS phone number. So I have 3 phone numbers. You can put in your cell phone number if you want them to call you or text you. You can put in your Sizzle Call number. You get the Sizzle Call number from ICS. You purchase that for $9.95. Or you can get a SMS phone number, which is a one-time $20 fee. And that link is below my video. I'll show you that. This is my SMS. I'll log into that right now. Excuse me. Got a little cough here. So this is my SMS phone lead. I'm going to log into that. Okay. Okay, there we go. So you can see it says, welcome to SMS phone leads. My SMS phone number, if you want to call it to try it out, is 512-488-5728. That's my SMS phone number. Okay, my link will be at the very bottom. If you want to get that one-time SMS phone leads, And this right here